Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to do the water balloon in a bottle challenge, but by using ammonium hydroxide. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm using a dropper, I'm using ammonium hydroxide, I'm using a 1000 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, I'm using a watch glass, and this is a 12-inch latex balloon. So the first step is to fill your latex balloon with just enough water so it's a little bit bigger than the diameter of the neck of your flask, about the size of an egg. This will do just fine. Okay, so instead of reducing the air pressure inside the flask by lighting some paper on fire, and when that fire goes out, the air cools, and then atmospheric pressure outside the flask forces the balloon inside, we're gonna reduce atmospheric pressure by using ammonium hydroxide. And if I put just a drop of ammonium hydroxide just around the edge of this flask, maybe 2 drops, then it'll start to vaporize, and we want to trap those vapors by covering it with a watch glass. I'm just going to kind of roll it around so I get lots of vapor in there. And then we're going to take this cup of water, I'm going to test it. Yeah, that tastes about right. And I'm going to pour the water into the flask. The ammonia vapor will go into the water, and that's what will reduce the air pressure. Here we go. I'm going to cover it with my balloon. Now, watch the balloon. I'm going to swish it around, and let's see if that ammonia vapor will go into the water. Ammonia gas is highly water soluble. Watch that balloon. It's almost there. Let's see if the 14.7 pounds per square inch of atmospheric pressure outside the flask is enough to push that balloon inside. And swish it around a little bit, get those ammonia vapors into the water. Any second now, I think it's gonna pop into the flask. It's so close. Here it goes. It's almost there. Oh, here it goes. So all that ammonia vapor is going into the water. That makes less pressure inside the flask, and the atmospheric pressure outside the flask is pushing on that balloon. It wants to go inside. It's so close. Something's happening. It's moving. It's like slow motion. Oh, there it goes. Ammonia going into the water. That's how we reduce the air pressure in the flask. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.